What is the Eat Well Guide? It's a guide that shows the proportions in which different types of foods are needed to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. Who is the Eat Well Guide intended for? The Eat Well Guide appeals to most people regardless of why the dietary restrictions, preference, or eating origin. However, it doesn't apply to children under 2 because they have different nutritional needs. What are the groups the Eat Well Guide is divided in? The groups are fruits and vegetables, carbohydrates, potatoes, bread, rice, fats, and other starchy, oil and spirits, dairy and alternatives, proteins, beans, peas, fish, eggs, meat. When is used the Eat Well Guide? You can use the Eat Well Guide to help you make healthier choices whenever you're deciding what to eat at home, cooking, or shopping for groceries, eating out in a restaurant, cafe, or camping, choosing food on the road, aim to fill your trailer with a healthy balance of different types of food. What are the specific recommendations for each group? Eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Fruit and veg should make up just over a third of the food we eat each day. Starchy food is a really important part of a healthy, different and short make up just over a third of the food we eat. Base meat of potatoes, bread, rice, pasta of other starchy carbohydrates, choosing well-grained versions where possible. Have some dairy or dairy alternatives such as soya drinks. Choosing lower fat and lower some options. Chooses lower fat and lower sugar options. Eat more beans and pulse 2 portions and of sustainably sourced fish per week. On eat some beans, pulse fish, eat meat and other potent proteins, including 2 portions of fish every week of which should be oily. Choose unsweetened oils and use in small amounts. Drink 6 to 8 cups glass of fluid a day. What about daily hydration? I am to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid every day. Water, lower fat milk, and sugar-free drinks, including tea and coffee, all count. Fruit whites and smoothie oils can forward your fluid consumption, although they are a source of free sugars, and so you should limit consumption to no more than a convenient total of 150 milliliters per day. What about food labeling? Lots of pre-packaging foods have a food label on the front page which shows the nutrition information per serving. They also refer to reference index which tells you how much of each nutrition should be included in the daily fare, depends reference to the consumption that the products makes to reference in the daily health nutrition. What's the food labeled to help you choose food lower in sugar? How many calories per day a person over one's old needs? A male person over 1 years old needs calories per day. A family person over years old needs calories per day.